Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Ndagĩtarĩ Fred Matiang'i ni arugũrĩtie kothi cia mawĩra ngũrani iria abithaa a njera magũkorwo magĩthomera thukuru-inĩ wao wa Ruiru.
Obithaa aya magũkorwo magĩthoma kothi ici kwa ihinda rĩa mwaka na mweri ũmwe, amwe ao magĩthomera ũrigitani.
Hĩndĩ oyo Matiang'i ni atũgĩrĩtie maabithaa 226 arĩa makoretwo magĩthomera kothi ici.
Matiang'i augĩte nĩ gũgwakwo thibitarĩ wa level 4 thĩinĩ wa thukuru ũcio ũrĩa ũgwĩtanio na Wanini Keriri ũrĩa ũratanywo kũhũthia mĩhang'o ya ũrigitani thukuru-inĩ ũcio na matũũra marĩa marigicĩirie.
I am informed that we had 12,500 applications, and out of the 12,500 people who wanted to join this course, only 206 succeeded through this. It shows how strict, how difficult the exercise was, but most importantly, I congratulate you because it means that you must be the cream de la cream, the top of the top, to be in this institution.
I'll come over here to give a lecture which I have already notified the commandant. I'll come and teach my pet subject, command leadership and leadership, command and management. That is the lecture that I'll come and give to you. Before you see me here for that lecture, know that you are nowhere near to getting out of this place.
The government is determined to improve the working conditions of our officers. And currently we are constructing a level 4 hospital here at the Prison Staff Training College to serve both officers and the surrounding community.
Cadet officers will undergo a 1-month training at Outward Bound Mountain School, where they will be equipped with additional skills in career development and survival. After Outward Bound training, they will be posted to various penal institutions for 6 months internship, and they resume back to college for their final examinations.